Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nitika Sobti. I was so keen that let us talk, discuss and ensure कि आपकी हेल्थ बहुत अच्छी है because your family health depends upon your healthy mind and body. So बहुत सारे myths हैं जिनके हमें right answers पता होने चाहिए. First and foremost, heart disease is actually a disease for men. हमें तो नहीं हो सकता. My dear, 29% of women have heart disease and they have deaths due to this. कितना important है कि we prioritize our health, we take preventive measures. Second important myth, that strength training is not for us, it will make us more bulky. आपको पता है 68% of women do have osteoporosis because हम सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, strength training नहीं. You see in your family, your elder mother, grandmother, किसी ना किसी का कोलीज फ्रैक्चर, हिप फ्रैक्चर ज़रूर हुआ होगा. So we have to be very careful. Third important myth कि breast cancer is actually a disease for older women. No my dear, not at all. 25% of women in the age of 45 to 50 have it. And we need to be so clear about screening, about our histories so that we go to the doctor and simple tests से pap smear, ultrasound breast, mammography से जो बिल्कुल painless है अपने आप को healthy करें हम. Fourth important myth, periods are often painful. There's nothing serious about it. ये तो होते ही है. Why take medication? You know, there is so much of using of so many cosmetics, we are using pads, we are not clear about the plastic and the environment around us which is causing this endometriosis जो बहुत ही painful है and वो हमारे reproductive organs की fertility और health को बहुत impact कर रही है. About 10 to 20% of girls have this. So please go to the doctor if you are having pain. We'll definitely take care and treat you for it. And another important myth is mental health is always a challenge for everybody. We as females, we do so much multitasking. तो हमें तो थोड़ा बहुत stress होना, anxiety होना normal है. About 20 to 30% of women are facing this mental health crisis. Just not because we are doing multitasking, also because we are wired differently as compared to men. So take care my dear, take help, take counseling and have good support groups. So this is what we are trying to form today कि हम एक दूसरे से support लेके healthy भी feel करें. ये सारे myths को हम dismantle करें, knowledgefully अपने आप को empower करें and अपने आसपास friends and family को भी उतनी ही power और health दें.